drinking milk, eating cheese, eggs, and bread. Oh, hey guys! I didn't know you were in here. Okay, I just leave then. Wait a second, Merida. What do you have behind your back? Oh, behind my back? Oh, nothing. Nothing. Okay, see you. See you guys later. Whoa, Merida, hold it. Oh, busted. Oh, I might have got some McDonald's food. I broke my diet. It's just so tempting. I got this delicious burger. So tasty. And I got these yummy McDonald's French fries. Oh, they're just so good. Okay, well, I'm gonna go eat them. Whoa, Merida. All we have is this girl's diet food, and you're gonna eat delicious McDonald's? So? Yeah, that's not fair. I say we put it in the magic washing machine and see if it like doubles or something. That sounds like a dangerous idea. So, okay, let's try it. Okay, I guess I put the stuffing. So I got the McDonald's food. And you know what? I'm gonna throw one of these milks in there too. Cause like, don't wanna get dehydrated. Gotta get some beverage. Open it up. Okay, and we'll put the milk in there. And we'll put the burger in there. Burger down. That's okay. You know what? 5-second rule. You know what? 10-second rule. It's still okay. And then we get the little French fries. Close it up. Press some random buttons. Okay, you know, there we go. That's a lot of random buttons. Oh, it'd be fine. There we go. Start. Okay, looks done. Let's go ahead and just open it up. What in the world are those things? Well, I feel this weird sensation that I never felt before. I think it's life for you guys. Moo! Yay! We're alive! Yay! No longer will we be ate, but we will eat! Ow!
Oh, are you okay? That looked extremely painful.
Moo!
Oh, here I go, I guess.
We survived the fall! Ah! It talks! They all talk! That is so creepy! Oh, you guys, this is not good. It looks like the magic washing machine made the food come alive! I'll tell you what we're gonna do! We're gonna conquer the world!
Yeah, one cheeseburger at a time.
What?
I don't know.
Moo! Let's go! Come on, we have to catch them! Get back here, you!
Come and get me!
Whoa! Moo!
Oh, hi, can you play piano too? Oh, Gus. Moo! Moo! Oh, you want me to scooch over? Okay, I'll go up here.
Moo!
Oh, I'm sorry, but you're not very good at it.
Grab him, Gus!
What? Oh,
Tackle!
moo! 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 Moo!
Aw, guys! Looks like there's no one around. This cheese stuff is pretty good. Bread. This is all a shop kitten could ever need. Ha! I got you! One down.
Well, you never catch me. Press this button. Uh-oh.
Ha! I see you! I've got you! I'm gonna go check some bedrooms. Okay, well, I'll check one of the bathrooms. Oh, I can't find it anywhere. Wait a second. What's that in the bathtub?
Moo!
Oh, got you! Ah! All right, ladies, you know what we have to do now. this one in. There we go. I'll put this one in. I'll put this one in. Now. And now it's time to get rid of them forever. Hey guys. Oh, what am I stepping in? There's a huge mess. What in the world could have happened here? It's so annoying that our washing machine doesn't work. I'm having to go to a friend's house to wash my clothes. Hey Elsa, I'm just gonna be in here if you need anything. Okay, thanks Moana. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell, and have a great day.